Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect the Optus NBN Modem Gen 2 in 2026. So if you have just received the modem or your internet isn't working after the setup, you can just simply follow these steps in order and you will be quickly online. So first of all, you need to locate your NBN wall outlet. So simply take the Ethernet cable provided and connect one end to the NBN wall port. After that, you need to connect the other end to the WAN or the Ethernet port on the back of the Optus NBN Modem Gen 2. Just make sure that the cable clicks in properly. So once you do this, you just have to plug the power adapter into the modem and you need to just turn it on. Wait for the light to start blinking, just like shown in this particular screenshot. So this can take from 3 to 5 minutes. So don't unplug anything during this time. You are waiting for the internet or the WAN light to turn solid or stable. So once the modem lights are stable, simply grab your phone or your laptop. On the back or on the bottom of the modem, you will see the Wi-Fi network name and the password. So you need to simply open the Wi-Fi settings on your device, select that network and enter the password. So you should now be connected to the modem successfully. So once the connection is established, you can try opening a web browser and try loading any of the websites in order to see if it is working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.